Okay. Where do I put the money, Mama?
Right there.
Right there? Right here? Okay, is it gonna start? It's not starting. Oh, there it goes. Cool. I like it. Can Grandpa get on too? He's too big to get on. Oh no. Is Lena too big to get on? No. I like it. I like it. They need to have a big one for me and Grandpa. What is that? Is that Chuck E. Cheese? Is that a Chuck E. Cheese clock? What time is it? What time is it say, Mama? Is that all? You need help? Uh-huh.